Take a look at this beautiful 2006 Ford F250. This is a King Ranch package. 4-door crew cab, long bed, 4-wheel drive, power stroke turbo diesel. It's got the full length running boards, 20-inch aluminum wheels, trailer tow package, backup sensors, two-tone color, fender flares, rear power slider, tinted windows, telescopic towing mirrors, built-in signal. Beautiful truck, just doesn't get nicer than this. It's got the tow hooks, fog lights, engine block heater. It's got a cowl hood, raised hood. This truck has had all its updates. Body's very clean, Elo tires, very clean frame, no rust. Take a look at the interior. It's got the saddle style seat, heated, power moonroof, steering audio controls, adjustable foot pedals. Absolutely spotless, no rust. Very clean truck. Clean upholstery. It's got a spray liner. Clean running diesel, start right up. Frame is in really nice shape. Truck does not have any issues with the injectors or the EGR. No head gasket issues. Let's take you on a quick test drive. These running boards makes it very easy to get in. Automatic climate control, Kenwood CD player with the iPod connection. This vehicle also has shift on the fly 4-wheel drive system. Trailer brake controller, auxiliary Elvis, rear power slider, power moonroof, transmission goes from gear to gear without any delays, power windows, mirrors, air conditioning on the heated seats are working. It's got 230,000 higher miles, but you know, as we showed you the condition of the vehicle, both exterior, interior, and mechanically, 100%. Truck has a lot of power. For this year, it had 350 horsepower, 550 foot-pounds of torque. Very powerful truck. Transmission shifts correctly, vehicle drives straight, brakes feel great, there's no pulsation. All the signals, all the gauges work. Power steering is smooth. Windshield wipers work. Still has a fairly good turning radius, being a long bed. It's very hard to find a 250 with a long bed, let alone being a King Ranch with all the options available and in this condition. Priced well, we could help you with financing. All you would have to do is log on to our website, fill up an easy online application for credit. This truck's got all sorts of power, and it's clean running too, doesn't smoke. Currently we have a lot of Ford trucks. Lariat to XLT, F250 to F350, and every once in a while we get a V10 or a V8, but for the majority they're a power stroke diesel 7.3 or 6.0. Give us a call with any questions you may have. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you.